In this video, I'm going to talk about how to plot a graph in Excel. So I'm just making up data here. Let's say I have one variable which is X and the other variable is Y. Okay, let's plot all the numbers here. So I'm starting with 1, 2, 3, and then I can keep dragging. This is the plot. And the Y, I can make up any numbers. Let's for example, let's say this is 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 60, 68, 80, 89, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200, 250. This is just a made up numbers. Okay. So how do we plot? When you have these two data, select these two columns, go to insert, you see the button right here, the insert button, and then select the scatter diagram here. Once you click here, it gives you an option what kind of plot you, and here I have chosen the scatter diagram. So I just choose this diagram, and this is the plot here. It's pretty simple. So now once you have this plot, how do you label the axis? In order to label the axis, click onto this plus button here, put the axis titles, and this could be, let's say for example, this could be your, let's say, x-axis or x value. I'm just putting the x value here. It could be temperature, it could be anything. I'm just putting the x value. Okay, and on the y-axis, double click onto this one, and it could be anything. For example, the volume. I'm just putting the y value here. Okay, and this graph, and it could be how does the electric field change with the distance, for example. So you can write down electric field variation with distance. Okay, so that's it. So it's pretty simple. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.